Welcome back to our channel Respect Education.
Okay friends, now let us see I bit. -1 into -2 into -3 into 4. Okay friends, now let us remove the brackets. -1 into -2 into -3 into 4. Now let us first multiply the symbols. Here let us first multiply symbols. -1 into -2, minus into minus. Minus into minus is plus. So minus into minus is plus. 2 1s are or 1 2s are 2. Into -3 as it is into 4. Let us write it as plus 4 for multiplication. Plus 4. And plus into minus. Here coming to the next step. Plus 2 into minus. That means plus into minus is minus. Plus into minus is minus. So here minus. Into plus 4. This is solved and this is plus 4. So minus 6 into plus 4 is equal to minus 24. See here minus into plus. Minus into plus is minus. Minus into plus is minus. And 6 4s are 24. So minus 24 is the answer for this I bit. Is it clear friends? Now let us see J bit. -3 into -6 into -2 into -1. Now let us remove brackets. We get -3 into -6 into -2 into -1. Now let us solve -3 into -6. Minus into minus is plus. See here minus into minus is plus. It is given here. So plus 3 into 6 is 18. Now let us write -2 as it is into -1 as it is. Now let us solve plus 18 into -2. Again plus into minus. Plus into minus, it is given here minus. So plus into minus, minus. Now 18 into 2, 18 2s are 36 into -1, let us write it as it is. So minus 36 into -1. Now minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. 36 into 1 is 36. So the answer is plus 36. That means it is 36. Is it clear friends? Okay friends, now let us see question number 2. Verify the following. In this A bit, 18 into 7 plus of -3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into -3. The term which is before is equal to is taken as LHS and the term which is after is equal to is taken as RHS. Now let us read what is the term before is equal to. It is 18 into 7 plus of -3. Now let us read RHS, that is right hand side. It is 18 into 7 plus 18 into -3. Okay, let us solve LHS. LHS is 18 into 7 plus of -3. Now 18 into 7 plus of -3. 7 plus of -3 means plus into minus. Plus into minus we already know it as minus. So 80 into 7 plus into minus is -3. Now 18 into 7 minus 3. We all know 7 minus 3, it is 4. So 18 into 4 is equal to 72. 4 8s are 32. 2 is here and 3 carry over. 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7, 72. Coming to RHS, we have 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7 is 126 plus 18 into minus 3. See here, invisible plus is there before 18, so plus into minus. Plus into minus is minus, so here minus is there. 18 3s are 54 minus 54 is equal to 126 plus into minus. Plus into minus, bracket means into, so plus into minus is minus 54. 126 minus 54 is equal to 72. See, LHS is 72, RHS is also 72. So 72 is equal to 72. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. What is asked here? Verify the following, hence verified. With this, A bit gets completed. Is it clear, friends? Okay friends, now let us see B bit. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus of minus 6 is equal to minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. As you have seen, the term which is before is equal to is taken as LHS and the term after is equal to is taken as RHS. So LHS, now let us solve LHS. LHS is equal to minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6. Now minus 21 into, see here minus 4 and here plus into minus. Plus into minus, plus into minus is minus. So minus 4 minus 6. Minus 21 into minus 4 minus 6. Now minus 21 into minus 4 minus 6. So both belong to minus. So this is also minus. As they both belong to minus, we should do addition. That means 6 plus 4 or 4 plus 6. Anything we get 10. Therefore the sum is 10. Minus 21 into minus 10 is equal to, see here minus into minus. Minus into minus. It is plus. Minus into minus plus, and 21 into 10. 21 into 10 is 210. So plus 210 is equal to 210. We need to remove the plus symbol. Coming to RHS, minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6 is equal to, see here minus 21 into minus 4. Now first let us solve this. Minus into minus, it is plus. 21 into 4 is 84. So plus 84 plus minus 21 into 6, minus into minus is plus, and 21 into 6 is 126. So plus 84 plus of plus 126. Now 84 plus into plus is plus, so here plus 84 plus 126 is equal to 210. 84 plus 126 is 210. So LHS is 210, RHS is also 210. 210 is equal to 210. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS, right? LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore what is asked here? Verify the following. Hence verified. So with this, B bit gets completed. Is it clear, friends? Okay friends, now let us see what we have learnt. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Now, this property is known as distributive property. Okay. Now let us verify A bit and B bit if this distributive property works. Let us see here. A into B plus C. That means 18 into 7 plus minus 3. See here 18 is A. Let us take it as A. And 7 let us take it as B. Plus minus 3 can be taken as C. So A, B, C. And 18 into 7. A into B. So A is 18 into B is 7. Plus A into C. A is 18 into C is minus 3. Right? So this A bit is in distributive property. Now let us check for B bit. B bit is minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6 is equal to minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Now A is minus 21 and B is minus 4, C is minus 6. And here also A is minus 21, B is minus 4 and A is minus 21, C is minus 6. So A into B plus C minus 21 into minus 4 plus of minus 6 is equal to A into B plus A into C minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. So this is also in distributive property. Now let us read the remaining item. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C for any three integers A, B and C. This is called distributive property of integers under addition and multiplication. Now, for any three integers A, B and C. So here A, first bit we have taken it as 18, 7 and minus 3 A, B and C. And second bit we have taken it as minus 21, minus 4 and minus 6 A, B and C. And this property is called distributive property of integers under addition and multiplication. See here addition and multiplication. So this is under addition and multiplication. Is it clear, friends?
If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.